Hello, 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 hello. Did you know that, like, I feel like YouTube does everything to be like, oh, you think you've got the chat popped out, but there's a top chat and there's a live chat, and a live chat shows everything and a top chat hides some messages. So I'm just like, I don't want there to be any way to miss a message, and it bugs me that maybe I did. Maybe I didn't. Maybe it's totally fine. But today we're working back to game dev. We're gonna just build the game. We're gonna work on the game anyway. We're gonna do projectiles. Mainly we're gonna just try to work on our enemies and build them out. I also have ideas for making the stream with like different stuff and whatnot. So if we get to a point where we're stuck, we can work on things like that. Yeah, I don't know. I guess I'm in a weird mood. It's Friday. Oh, Friday. Man. Couldn't have come too soon, right? Like, what a busy week. Hectic week. So freaking hecty. Hefty. Heavy. Hectic and heavy. Word is, I don't know how to word. I'm trying to think about like my dual stream setup. I don't know why, like I have to figure it out. So I'm gonna try to do my best this weekend to figure it out. But, yeah, we'll figure it out. Because it sucks that I have to stream at such lower bit rate, which I think only makes it like a 780 stream. But like, let me do a stream speed test. I can't show you because it'll dox me, but I have how much down? Is 2,334 down, and I have well over 2,000 up. So it's like, if I can upload 2,059, why can't I have good bitrate? Like, that's what I don't understand. Okay. Should we jump right into it? What the plan is, what we're doing? No, it's not a video game. Well, well, I mean, technically it is a game. It's not much of one yet, but it is a game. So we've got this guy where he like runs around to find you, stops. So that's where we left off. And he's dead. We should probably make sure that the enemy... Oh man, we have to like... we could also fix him to be... I can fix him. What is the words? We can make him a character body 2D, which I think we probably should. Another thing I'm trying to figure out what I want to do is when I'm making the game, when I'm working on it, right? Bring this back. I really want to get focusing on the design experience. So it's like almost building it out ahead of time. Whether it's an Aspirite, doing some painting. So we can do that too. What we might do after we get the projectiles done. I really want to make it like good and design it. So like I want to have like a design first experience, which usually you want to like program it and build all the prototyping and all this stuff and iterate on it, which is like, yes, I get it. Absolutely. But I'm trying to find a way that works for things that like... What's the right way to put this? So I want to make this my thing, right? But I'm still discovering myself. I'm still figuring out what works, what I like, what I don't like, what does work, what doesn't work. Things I've already discovered that don't work. The Pomodoro streams. They're not that great. I know that. These streams, they're pretty good. People like them. But we're not making enough progress. And there's not enough being done, so... also, I just gotta take it one day at a time, so... Thinking maybe we just log in for a bit, you know? I've also wondered if the streaming daily is a hindrance or not. But it's been good to be consistent every day. And I like it. Like I'm streaming every day. I don't stream at the same time. Good. And it's also like, should it only be game dev and then do something else with the gaming streams? But I don't know, it should just be what I want, and that's really what it is. Like, find the good like points that intersect. Like, I really enjoyed playing Paper Lily. It was a Godot game. It was made with passion. You could just see it. And I really loved the narrating part. That was really fun. And it seems like you guys really liked it too. So, but that I would consider like a ping, like, you know, when your map finds something, you're like, ding. And so that's what I felt like happened when I played that. And so I want that same feeling as I work on this stuff. Because there's something missing in this already. So I was like, we'll figure it out. We will figure it out. To get there, to get there, I have to get past this spot. And that's really what it is. We could actually see if... Alright, so I've got some ideas for fixing the bitrate stuff. We'll see this weekend. So we need to create, we got our attack range. This, yeah. It's here. We'll probably want, we'll just copy the player. He's got like a hard point. So why don't we do the same? We'll go with a marker. You know what? It could. Do we want to put it here, or do we want to point it at direction? Because if we point it at direction, right? That's this guy. I mean, we could do LOS. Then he was like, because this is LOS, line of sight, and that is direction. So right now, do we want it to be only there? He needs to be rotating. Maybe we can make him... So attack ship. He doesn't do anything, because here's like the chase logic. All right, so if I'm going to take the same update. Delta not declared. Well, technically it is. And then we are going to not have him move. Oh, I don't think I like the shaky bit. Boom shake, blip shake. I thought I already turned that off last time. New line shake off. Okay. Yep. There we go. And so now, even if I'm in here, he still comes at me. I don't want him to come at me. Ship goal, ship player goal position. This is attack player. That's interesting. Why does he still... Why is he still coming after me when I do that? Okay, I'm rotating. I should probably do this. Equals 0. To 2.0. Because it's running. Now when I do, now he's stopped. Chase me. But he'll still rotate after me. Well, there's so much bugs with it. And then I want to make sure ship dot position dot global position ship dot global position. Do the same here. Ship dot player dot global position minus this bar distance equals this let's just print the distance. Three. What I'm gonna do is say distance dot x is less than 40 distance dot y is less than 40. I'm just guessing here. Then I want to do ship dot velocity equals here. Let's try this. Times -1, aka just go in reverse. Else, oh, wait a minute. It's this. Else, it'll be that. Declared in the current scope. Oh. There we go. Now let's go ahead and turn off the visible collision stuff just to see how it looks. Now I should get close. Oh. This should be negative. We should also be like, he should like, you know what we should do? We should have him flee. So let's make a new script and we'll call it Lee ship state. And we'll do ship state create. And this way, I mean, we can get basically the same stuff here. Except this is called flee. And flee. If he's doing all these things. I kind of just want him to just do this. To figure out the rotation stuff. If distance dot x is greater than 100, or distance dot y is greater than 100, ship dot case and then we can go back to the ship enemy. Case player we can do that. Function flee is state equals flee ship state dot new state dot activate. Not we can attack. Not even care about this condition anymore. And if distance dot plus 40 and distance dot y is less than 40, we can just then say ship dot flee. Let's see how it works. If it comes close. Nope. Ship dot flee. State dot activate. There's probably something we're overriding. If is in range. And state is not. And state is not flee ship state. So we're already creating a bunch of conditionals. So this means we're going to have to use a different pattern soon to help make this better. So that was switching it. So he gets close and he runs away. Now he chases me. If he gets too close, he should run away. Yeah, there we go. Interesting. Oh, because it's the opposite. So what we need to do is if the absolute of distance dot x and the absolute of distance y is greater than 100. Now it'll work no matter what. So if I come close, it'll run away, it'll come back. Oops. Alright. Run away. Alright, it needs to be bigger, I think. Attack. Let's go with 60. Yeah. Let's make the flea like 400. See what happens. Too close. I feel like I should do like an ease in, ease out kind of thing. That he's like avoiding me. Now that is good. He can be shooting me, and now he runs away. Look at that. That's cool. We could probably shrink that a bit. 60 is too much. Maybe 50? Wait, I think this needs to be absoluted as well. When he runs away for like 400. We need to create boundaries for ourselves. So now he'll chase us, then I can chase him, and he'll run away. We need to increase his speed. Enemy 140. And my ship goes at 350. I think this guy, if he was at 350, would be crazy fast. Yeah, he just ran right into me. 200. See how he like bounces in the other direction like that at that speed? We're gonna have to build like an ease in, ease out. Flee at to do. That's not how you spell to do. When going the other way, ease out the speed so it looks more natural. This isn't getting there. So he's chasing me, he runs away. And then he'll continue to run away from me, and then I get closer. He's like, nope, don't want you near me. Don't want you near me. And he'll even just continue to try to... 400 might be aggressive. But I wanted to see what was good. So maybe like 250. Ooh. And if we run right into it. a little nicer, I think. Look at that. I liked how it like moved out of the way for me. Getting there. It's getting smarter. I just gotta stop hitting it. And my ship is kind of invincible right now. You can see right where it like bounces off. That's crazy. It's not fast enough. Our ship is way too fast. Because when we go like this. Oh, that's weird. That direction doesn't work. That should work. That's interesting. Oh man, we've got to fix our bullets and everything. But now let's look at it from a collision shape perspective. So now he's chasing me. Still chasing me. Runs away. Still rotating. He'd shoot. He's taking a long way around, isn't he? You can make him smarter too. We're gonna do it on the other one, but we can make it smarter. Well, that'll come later. It's more like the other one that's attacking. Okay. Oh, thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. Hope you're having a wonderful evening, and thanks for the looks. Also typing animation. Oh, thanks. That's one of my favorite. I did a video on it like a year ago, but yeah, I love it. It makes the code more interactive and more fun. Fun for all ages. Welcome in, welcome in. Now let's try to get him to shoot me. So we've got the range, we've got the marker, which I'll just put in front. And then the player has his bullet and projectile and fire rate. So let's just copy this. And enemy, we should have this already. We got the bullet. Yeah. Bullet speed 500. I don't think we need a 5. But we'll deal with that in a minute. Why is this capitalized? I'll have to fix that on the other one too. And what are we doing for? It should just be spawn bullet. Bullet. Wait. Take damage, die. Oh, this is the enemy. I'm like, why can't I find it? Shoot projectile. If not, that prevent it. instantiate easy. Other than the pulse chamber. Owner B being the bullet. B dot transform. We'll transform. I thought we're going to be using the marker. If not, lowercase bullet. No projectile. Lowercase add. And then B dot transform. I keep doing that. Equals. Enemy. Oh, attack range marker 2D. Bam. And then if is in range. I think it just needs to be here and then we can see if ship dot is in range. Because we're in the attack state already. Probably ship dot shoot projectile. Let's look at this enemy script. Instantiate, transform, bullet. I think it has the bullet script on there. Base object area 2D. Interesting. I think the transforms needed to be like where it's at. Yep, there's the bullets up there. That's why. All right, let me do this. We'll go node 2D and we'll call it the hard point. And I'll put it here. And the hard point can be here, and this can just be zeroed. And then the B.transform, it's not what I wanted to hit, can be the hard point slash marker 2D, which I think it didn't even, I just don't think it liked, right? Go to player. It's the pulse chamber, is what I called it. Sure, we'll call it the same thing. Pulse chamber. What I want to eventually do is be able to create these weapons, and then they'll have like different spray patterns, and then I can just attach them to the different ships, and they'll just be able to do this. So it's still already a little too hard-coded. Okay, if I do this. Okay, what are you mad about? The key transform with value marker 2D on the base. Okay. All right, we need to do this. Character body 2D. Reparent. Make scene root. And then that'll be ZZZ. I'm going to attach the enemy ship, enemy load, and I'm going to detach that script. And this is in the group enemy, and I'm going to get rid of this one, and then this gets to go here. Oof, I'm going to break probably a lot of things. Hardpoint. Delete. Now that the character body 2D is there, this can now be a character body 2D like it should have been in the beginning. And now I've got velocity, which I need to just get rid of. What's this not about? Oh. We'll get rid of that. And then attack range, signals, disconnect, and then I'm going to go ahead and add this here. Enemy, attack range, on attack range, body innard, connect, and exited. Good. And I can, just so the warnings can go away, I can say which thing. Oh, nope. What am I doing? Not there. Here. Body.name. Hey, there we go. I think it's shooting it. It's just hard to tell. Point. Pulse chamber and bullet. Oh, of course not, because no, the bullet's assigned, amazingly. The player's not assigned. That's because we need to open the main game, 2D, main game. This is the player, not the main game. Oh, that's GD. Main game. Enemy has the player. Okay, good. With the projectile. Okay. Debug. Let's get rid of that. Let's see. Alright. Now it's mad about... What? Really? Hold on. Valid key or assignment. Transform with the value type. Marker 2D. Isn't that exactly how the player is done, though? Player. Node 2D. Marker 2D. Player.gd. B.transform. Oh, .global transform. Right? Because that's the difference. dot. Yep, we'll transform. Okay. It's just not firing at it for some reason. Bullet. Projectile. Transform. What is going on? I don't get it. Okay, I'll have to figure. Okay, projectile. Tell me what's wrong. All right. Why are these area 2Ds? I think it was like a reason I did it. I don't like it, but there's some reason I did it. Speed 800. That's insanely fast. Direction up. I see it there. He's not firing. But it doesn't seem to have any speed. That or it's moving at the same pace as the ship. Speed is 200. Bullet fire. No, it should be 800. Because when I initiate it, like it's like boom, it's instantiated, it's added. And then it on update should do it. Direction. Do that. Although notice that it doesn't work either here. Yeah, see, like he should be firing. Rotate way faster as well. Enemy rotation speed. Oh my god. I almost think he should just shoot me, like in general, like the way Geometry Wars works. Why doesn't the enemy... So he instantiates it? Boom, boom. Instantiate, boom, boom. What is going on? Hold on a second. Sorry about that. But something to just come up. We got some of the projection stuff. I'll work on it tonight after I get back. I have to go and run and do this thing. The account just landed in my lap. Uh, Apologize. Sometimes it's a short stream. But I gotta do that. I can talk about it later. But I do have to go, unfortunately. So at least we made some progress. I'm gonna try to make more progress for the next stream later when I come back. So thanks everyone. Stay awesome. You guys make it worth it. Thank you so much. I will see you soon. Tomorrow, in fact. Have Happy tomorrow day. We'll figure what we're doing tomorrow. I think we're probably doing more game dev. All right. Bye.